He's getting better every lap, man.
Yeah, that's
Look at him. He moved up top of the groove down there. He's getting better every lap.
Getting faster too.
Oh yeah. One of these days I'm gonna call you up and say, hey, Nick, you remember that video I took at the racetrack of your son's first race? I sold to you for $100. I just messed with man.
Yeah, this right here's gonna be the dude.
Boom! He got it.